Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic coordinate geometry. In the lower classes, you have studied number line and you know how to locate the numbers on the number line. The number 0 on the number line is known as origin. The right side of 0, it is positive direction. There we are marking positive numbers. Left side of 0, it is negative direction. There we are marking negative numbers. And you know how to mark rational numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and even irrationals on the number line. Then do you know how to locate a point on the plane? You know how to locate a point on the number line. How to locate a point on the plane. You see here I have drawn one box and marked one point there. Can you say the exact position of that point in that box? You may say it is near to the upper line or near to the left line. But it is not giving an idea about the exact position of that point. If you say like this, it is 2 cm away from the left line and 6 cm above from the lower line, then it is very easy to identify the exact position of that line. This type of discussions lead to the rise of one important branch of mathematics, coordinate geometry. The greatest philosopher and mathematician René Descartes introduced the location or locating a point on the plane. Descartes used the idea of locating a point on the plane by using two perpendicular lines. One line is horizontal line and the other one is vertical line. See here our horizontal line x dash or x axis and our vertical line y dash or y axis. They are intersecting each other at their zeros. The zero of x axis and the zero of y axis intersecting each other, and that point is known as origin. It is denoted by the letter O. OX is the positive x axis, OX dash is the negative x axis, OY is the positive y axis, OY dash is the negative y axis. This x axis and y axis together known as coordinate axis, and each point is known as coordinates. First point is x coordinate, or in other words abscissa. Second point is y coordinate or ordinate. The coordinates of origin is 0, 0. X coordinate of origin is 0. Y coordinate of origin is also 0. Now you can see the point 1, 4. I marked one point here. The first point is 1 and the second point is 4. How can we identify it? You see this point is 1 unit away from the y-axis along the x-axis in this distance. So it is 1 unit away from the y-axis. So first point is 1. Now you can see it is 4 unit above from the x-axis along the y-axis. So second point is 4. So x coordinate is the distance from y-axis along x-axis. Y coordinate is the distance from x-axis along y-axis. So first point is 1 and second point is 4. Here you can see one more point. This is the position. You can see first point x point -3 and the second point is 2. Here we can see one more point. First you have to write the x coordinate. It is -4, then it is -3. Here first point is 3 and the second is y point. It is -2. Now you can see this axis, x-axis and y-axis, dividing this plane into 4 parts. This is first part, second part, third part and fourth part. Each part is known as quadrants. This is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, quadrant 4. In the quadrant 1 is enclosed by positive x-axis and positive y-axis. So all the points in quadrant 1 in the form positive, positive. You can see here both numbers are positive. Positive, positive. Quadrant 2 is enclosed by negative x-axis and positive y-axis. So it is in the form negative, positive. Quadrant 3 is enclosed by negative x-axis and negative y-axis. So, it is in the form negative, negative. You can see here the number. Fourth quadrant is enclosed by positive x-axis and negative y-axis. So, it is in the form positive, negative. You can see here the points. So, this plane is known as Cartesian plane. It is introduced by the mathematician René Descartes. Each axis is known as coordinate axis. Each point is known as coordinates. X-coordinate is also known as abscissa. Y-coordinate is also known as ordinate. Origin is the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis. Its coordinates are 0, 0. First point is x-coordinate, second point is y-coordinate. X-coordinate is the distance from y-axis. Y-coordinate is the distance from x-axis. Each is divided into 4 quadrants. First quadrant plus plus, second quadrant minus plus, third quadrant minus minus, fourth quadrant plus minus. So, dear students, if you have any doubts about this video, you please comment it. I will clear your doubts. Thank you.